Hey there, Chris from Chris Tech, your tech guy next door, bringing you everything tech in simple terms, just like the guy next door. Today we'll be looking at the Beats Flex wireless earphones. So we'll be unboxing it and we'll be doing a short review about it. Watch out. The Beats Flex was announced and released late 2020 as Apple's, of course, Beats' cheapest headphones, which are wireless and as in-ear. It replaced the Beats X, which was released in 2017. Of course, Beats is owned by Apple, so it has Apple's W1 chip, which makes pairing with Apple devices seamless. However, Android users are not left out, because for Android users, once you download the Beats app, you're also pairing seamlessly. So, let's get to the unboxing. The Beats Flex is very portable, so trust the compact packaging. 12 hours, they say. Well, I can actually testify to that, you know. Let's pull this off. Instructions. More information per sticker. Okay, then it comes with a Type-C to Type-C cable. This cable is really short though. Your Beats Flex is reminding you that it takes a short time to charge. I can also testify to this as well because I've used it for quite some time. It comes with 3 extra pairs of muffs. Now for the main course, Beats branded as usual. The whole earpiece is one long cable which sits comfortably on your neck. It's light so you do not feel it thin. It has a power button on one part and the Type-C charging port, volume control as well as microphone on the other. There's a button that can, of course, pause and play music. The earplugs are magnetic, and if you're listening to music, it automatically pauses once the 2 plugs are in contact via magnet, of course. It retails for about $50, so you're talking about 25,000 naira. So, of course, for that price, don't expect it to have active noise cancellation. I'm sorry. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you'll be one of the first people to watch my new videos. You can be nice enough to hit that thumbs up and, of course, drop a comment. Chris from Chris Tech. Catch you next time.